The Westin Virginia Beach Town Center is a prominent skyscraper in Virginia Beach, Virginia, completed in 2007. Standing at 508 feet tall, it is one of the tallest buildings in the state. The tower has 38 floors, with the lower 15 floors occupied by a Westin hotel. This hotel features 236 guest rooms, a full-service restaurant, a fitness center, an indoor pool, and versatile event space. The upper floors house luxury condominiums known as the Westin Residences, offering residents modern amenities and spacious layouts. Located in the bustling town centre area, the tower is surrounded by shopping, dining, and entertainment options. Its contemporary design adds a striking element to the Virginia Beach skyline. The Westin Virginia Beach Town Center serves as a key hub for luxury living, business, and tourism in the city. Its prime location provides easy access to major attractions and the beach, making it a desirable destination for both residents and visitors.